All right, we are finally rolling with the Hypnotize. Rolled this last week, got a 266. Unfortunately, I wasn't filming. Was struggling with this when I first took it out of the box. I had to resurface it. I put a 1500 service on it. I'll put the layout in the description and let's see what we can do with this thing. So we're dealing with post-league lane conditions, so they're a little dry. And ball seems to be doing okay with these kind of conditions. We'll see if we can make any kind of magic happen. I don't know what happened there, it just kind of took off on me. So I need to remember to polish my spare ball because it's hooking a little bit too much for my taste. So I'm standing on 25 and I'm going about 14, 15 miles an hour on those. Let me know if you have the Hypnotize, if you like it, if you struggle with it, if you have to constantly maintain the service, let me know. Just got to get faster and go a little bit more to the outside on the left lane. You all right? Yeah. It was on there, yeah. You're on the edge of it. Yeah. I don't think it got all over. All right, a little too fast on that one. That's 16 mile an hour. So, gotta control my speed. I'm still early out the gate. Game 4. So the balls I brought tonight with me are the Theorem Pearl, the Purple Hammer, and I got the new Piranha Power Core Pearl, the one I haven't rolled yet. It's the second ball that I got on the surprise ball from Bowling World. I'll put a little bit more spin on the right lane and keep going at the same speed. Seems to work. ball in the afterburner here. So I was struggling with this ball fresh out of box. I got pissed off last Thursday. I said, I'm gonna figure this ball out. And then game one, I got a 266, go figure, and then I wasn't filming.
All right, so we're at 23 and 24, guys. You want to hold off on bowling for 1 moment? We got to take a look at the back there. That pin might be holding all the bowling balls in the back. So just 1 moment while we get 24 fixed up, and you guys be good to go.
Alright, let's see if I can beat 200 this game. So yeah, March 24th today was 87 degrees in Northern California today. So a little roasty toasty in the bowling alley.
Alright, so if anything, give all the balls back on 20 or on 23, 24, all the balls are back, guys. Continue on 23, 24. You're gonna want to wait until we get that pin match, guys.
The Brooklyn action, I'll take it. I was standing 25-30 on that one, and it just came right back over.
Alright, for 24, once all the pins step back down, you should be good to go up that way.
Didn't think I had that one. Alright, so we got 215 with the Brunswick Hypnotize. Not a bad game, not my best, but that'll do. Let me know if you got the Brunswick Hypnotize and you like it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the fun stuff, and I'll see you next time.